In this video, I'm going to show you how Statements Online can be used by a debt collector. Statements Online allows your staff to work from home and make debt collection calls. The first thing that your debt collector will do is log into the Statements Online system. To do this, they enter their email address and password. After they have logged in, they will be shown a list of your accounts. The desktop software allows you to select which accounts the debt collector can see. You can filter this list so that the debt collector can only see the 30-day, 60-day or 90-day plus customers. The links on the screen allow the debt collector to download the data as a tab-delimited file. They can also view the data in a printer-friendly format. The options at the top of the screen allow the debt collector to view any notes that have already been entered against the accounts. They also have the ability to change the password or to send an email to the head office. The debt collector can see the customer's transactions by clicking on their name. The balances are shown at the right-hand side of the screen, and the transactions are shown at the bottom. Debt collectors have an extra button on the screen that allows them to enter collection notes. The debt collector can enter the action that has been taken. For example, we have rung the customer about their overdue account. Below this, they can enter the outcome of the call. For example, the customer has agreed to pay in 2 weeks' time. Finally, they can enter what the next action will be and the date that this needs to occur. These fields are optional and can be skipped if you do not wish to use these features. Once you click on the Store Note button, the details will be added to the transaction history screen. You will notice that the note appears in chronological order. This means if the customer makes any more purchases or makes any payments, they will appear above the note. In this screenshot, we have entered 2 sets of notes against the customer. In this case, the customer hasn't paid, and we have now agreed for them to pay $200 per week. Once the debt collector has finished dealing with this customer, they can use the Select Customer option at the top of the screen to work on the next customer in the list. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will notice that follow-up date is shown against each record. By clicking on the heading, you can sort your list by the follow-up date. This ensures that you follow up your customers when required. Often a debt collector will want to chase up the biggest debts first. To do this, you can also click on the other headings. For example, I can sort by the 90-day balances or the overall balances. This allows you to concentrate on the customers that will have the biggest effect on your cash flow. When the owner of the business logs in, they will want to see the debt collection notes in a simple single screen. To do this, they can click on the View Recent Notes button. This will show a summary of all of the collection notes that have been entered by the debt collector. This screen can be sorted by date or account by clicking on the heading at the top of the column. Statements Online is a great tool for debt collectors and business owners. It allows you to easily follow up overdue debts and to keep notes and history. If you have any questions that this video did not cover, please do not hesitate to contact us. And if you would like to see how Statements Online works from a customer's point of view, make sure you check out the Customer's Point of View video.